Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my March Bellabox. So this month's box is actually purple, which is actually really cool. It's usually blue, and I know for December they made it red for Christmas, but I think the purple does represent International Women's Day, which was in March, so I'm really excited to see what these goodies are. So the card says Superpower Beauty and it has the list of everything I've got inside, so let's actually see what it is. The first thing I see in here is the Goat Skincare bar of soap. It is full size, which is great. It's $3.60 and it's available at Terry White Chemist's Priceline and their website. Honestly, I don't really need this. Like, it's a bar of soap. I have soap. I buy soap. I tend to use body wash anyway, so I mean, I guess I'll pop it in my shower and try it, but it's $3.60 bar of soap. Like, yeah. The next product in here we have UVIQ Australia Anti-Pollution Facial Sunscreen Milk. So this would have been handy, you know, before summer started, not as summer is ending, but I have so many facial sunscreens already from samples from Bellabox, but this one is just the 10ml sample, but the 50ml full-size bottle is $29.95 from Chemist Warehouse. So not super exciting, but I'll just pop it in my drawer with the rest of my samples and see if I ever actually get around to using it. Next we have a sachet sample. This is our bonus sachet for the month, and it is a natural pore body wash. I'll pop this in the shower next time I shower, probably tonight, and use this one. Not super exciting, but you know, it's a sachet. What do you think it's going to be? So I'll definitely use that one up. Now the next three products are what I am super excited about from this box. Like, all three of them are actually makeup products, so thank the holy Lord. The first one is actually a NYX product, and it is a blotting powder. This is obviously full size. It is $18.95, available from Priceline and NYX. I got the shade Light, so thank God for that. So it comes with a little puff. Yeah, is a face powder. I'm really keen to try that one out. It doesn't seem to be too dark for me, so thank God for that. I'm so keen to try that one out. That's actually an awesome product for the box. Good job, Bellabox. I am loving this, and it costs more than the whole box it does itself. So if you just love one product, you've basically got your money back, you know. The next two products I think are from ModelCO. There was some advertisement saying, you know, everyone will receive 2 ModelCO makeup products in their box, which is amazing, and they need to keep doing that. So I have here the ModelCO Eye Lights Metallic Eyeshadows. So I'm super keen to try this one out. I have the shade St. Bartz, and it looks like a pinky goldy sort of colour. This one is full size. I'm assuming is $19, available from ModelCO Cosmetics. So I am super excited to try this one out. Now I just have to get into the freaking plastic packaging that they put on all of this. So
1 hour later.
Got a little doe foot applicator. So it's not super pigmented, it's actually pretty clear. You can still see my skin underneath, which is not what you want, but that is the sort of colour. Probably be used more so for a lid topper rather than the full lid colour. But yeah, it just adds a little bit of glimmer to the skin, so assuming that's what it will do to the eyelids. And last of all, I have a ModelCO Luxe Cream Longwear Lipstick. This one is $17 and I have the shade Amelia. Breaking my nails, just trying to get through all this plastic packaging. That is the lipstick shade right there. It seems to be a brownie terracotta sort of colour. That is the shade there. Perfect for autumn, which is definitely coming up really quick. It should be autumn now, but you know, summer's hanging around, which I don't mind. But yeah, those are the two makeup shades from ModelCO. I'm very keen to try these ones out on my face straight away, so I'm so excited. So that is everything that we got in the March Bellabox. I am so freaking excited. We've got 3 makeup products. Like, that is unheard of in like Bellabox history, I swear. So yeah, I'm so excited to try all of those out. Despite the fact that I got a bar of soap and sunscreen, doesn't even matter. I got 3 makeup products in my Bellabox. You know, we are making progress. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.